for me. It's for me.
Eastern Jefferson County until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight.
Oh, Eastern Jefferson.
At 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trustville, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Leach, Moody, Fairfield, Fultondale, Center Point, Pleasant Grove, Clay, Kitson, Tarrant, and Midfield. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.